Tonight, we're learning more about how the lawsuit settlement against the National Realtors Association could possibly impact us here in Hawaii for those looking to buy or sell a home. Our Cynthia Yip follows up with a story that is all new at 6.
The cost of hiring a real estate agent to buy or sell a home may soon change, along with decades-old rules that have helped determine broker commissions. And these policy changes could help spur price competition for agent services and lower the cost for sellers.
But the sellers are the one paying for the commission. But at the end of the day, the buyers are the ones bringing the $1 million to the table to buy the property. So in essence, they're paying for it as well, right? And so at the end of the day, it is going to be a conversation with the buyer's agent, but it's also going to be a conversation with the seller and the seller's agent to say, hey, will you cover the compensation?
Many realtors in Hawaii agree it is still too early to tell what will be the longer-term impact on reducing the transaction costs on homes. But brokers say it means they will have to work harder on client relationships.
Having a better relationships with our sellers, having a better relationship with our buyers if we represent them, and then also the professional relationship that one agent has with another or one brokerage firm with another. That's what I think this is going to make a difference, is that those that consider this job as part of their career, they're going to be here and they're going to be provide a better service.
And those realtors in the island say they are used to negotiating their commissions with sellers and buyers.
I think they're still going to be asking the sellers to cover it in their closing costs, just like we've been doing for the last 30 years. The only slight nuance is that the buyer is now negotiating directly with the buyer's agent what that commission is, and then they ask the seller to cover that compensation, where prior the seller and the seller's agent would come up with some number and then they would say, we're offering this to you if you bring us an offer. And that's how the buyer's agent got paid.
If the federal court signs off on the settlement, the NAR would implement the rule changes in mid-July. Reporting in Honolulu, Cynthia Yip, Island News.